Hi ladies, now I'm going to teach you how to set up your event, your party in your back office. So you're going to go to 31today.com and sign into your account. Then you're going to go to your virtual office and you're going to go to parties and click on open parties and you're going to create a new party and you're going to name it Christy's 31 Lunch Party, using your own name, of course. You're going to describe the party. All right. Now, if it's a home party, you're going to go down here. You're going to put in your party date and the time. If it's an online only party, you're going to put when you want to close that party. All right. You're going to put in your name. All right. It does save your contacts once you've put them in. So my information's already in there once I click on my name, but you will go ahead and enter all your things in and save and continue. Then you're going to scroll down. All right, you'll see different things here, the about the party, and there'll be a party link down here that you can click on, and you're going to copy that link. Go ahead and click and save there. Click on that link, and then this link right here, I want you to send that to me, and we'll make sure everything's all set up. And then this is also the link that we will share on your Facebook party and share with all your friends. Great job!